colors, mommy skeletons knocking doors and having fun. Pumpkin lanterns light the way for the monster spooky play.
Hey guys, this is Jen.
And this is Chris.
And
we're with Monsters and More.
So today, I am doing a baby doll scene in an area of my dining room, which I will attach to this once I get everything up and going. But anyhow, we did pick up the 5.5 foot Grave and Bones LED sitter of So's. I thought she was super cute. We have an old rocking chair that is actually your grandfather's that we were able to come across. And so we want to keep that kind of in the loop with everything. And then I picked up this little chickie. I love her. She was only $40.
Oh, how I love the color black. Don't you? My dolly loves it too. Oh, how I love the color black. Don't you?
And she's
My dolly loves
pretty
it
cool,
too.
pretty freaky looking. Especially with a bunch of other
Well,
baby dolls that are scary looking.
I actually chose her because I like her a lot better, just because with the black dress that she has going on, her little pigtails. The other one was super cute too, and her face spun around and she screamed a lot. So I was like, this is kind of more, because we have so much going on, which we will show later on once I finish decorating everything. So anyhow, we're going to show you the LED Sitter of Souls assembly and unboxing of it and give you our reviews.
Just so you can get a picture of the box, what it looks like. And we're going to start setting it up. All right.
Nope.
Go this way.
So you'll just set this piece up. You got two identical pieces just like this. Your B is going to be shooting up.
And you got
connect the
two
C's.
C's you connect together, and they're just push buttons, so it's pretty simple. So literally, when you get it put together, that's what it looks like.
Then you add your next C's, because you'll have 4 C's, so you add your next C's on. Front. This is labeled front and back. Oh, I guess that is a front. Yeah, well, you can't do it wrong because of the push pins.
Yeah.
Now you need her waist. And then your F goes here for her body. All right, now we pick her up and put her on. So it says here, you'll need to align the tabs on the
Her
inside.
head fell off. I think she's losing her head over on me.
Here, you got to do this side first. But it says you align the tabs with these tabs.
There you go. That's the little top part slides down. It's got 2 little notches. It slides over 2 little pins on that top plate or post. So it's pretty simple.
Line your tabs. Put your head in. Plug her in.
You want to plug this in? So you just got one little wire that plugs into it. It's not much animation. It's just kind of like voice activated. So let's see what she does. I'm gonna back this up a little bit where they can get a better view. And she's pretty tall. She's, I don't know, 5'8" probably. 5'6". Something about 5'10", so 5'8" maybe.
Hello. Do you want to come play with me? Do you like my dolly? You can hold her if you want. But don't upset her.
Oh, she's gonna go perfect.
Now you've done it. Time for you to be put into timeout. Say goodbye to this reality.
So she'll go good with the dolls that you have, little doll scene. She'll go good with it.
Yeah.
So she was what, $99?
Yep.
Think it'd be a little cooler if her mouth actually moved,
Do
but
you want
other
to
than
play
that,
with me?
it's pretty
Let's
cool.
play hide and seek.
You satisfied with it?
You
Yeah,
hide
I like her a
over
lot.
there in the graveyard, and I will come and find you. I will count to 10, and you find a good place to hide. Don't worry. I will try to find you before the undead take you down with them.
Did it say how many different phrases she speaks?
So we can play all day. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Here's her
5.
sensor, right in her apron.
Yeah, that needs to be. Now, I don't know. You have to be pretty
facing,
close. I was
it
gonna say.
needs to move. Yeah,
It
it's
is
kind of
so
wrinkled.
good to see you. Would you like to play Ring Around the Rosie with
Got to
me?
do adjustment and push the sides back to make sure it gets a clear view out
She
front.
does 3 spooky faces.
Three.
Now, let's hold hands and ring around the Rosie with the skeleton. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of roses, ashes, ashes, you will want them.
So I like her. Like, she, for what I'm wanting her for, she is absolutely perfect. Like I said, I'm doing the whole,
Hello, do you want
now that's lights only. So she'll just have like that if you didn't want a bunch of noise going on or it going off a lot.
Or you can have her turn the volume down and have it going
Yeah.
moving, or you can turn the
You just-
volume up.
Yeah, you just wanted her as a prop. She does lights only. She also has a capability, like most of them, where you can put the step pad in. But I love her. I think she's going to go great in my little haunted nursery I've got going on. So I will take a video of that later on once I start getting my ideas together. We're getting it going. But anyway, guys, that was it. That's your Sitter of Souls. Hope you like this video.
So please like, share, and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you great content. If you have any comments, leave them, and we'll get back with you as quick as possible, or questions. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.